Hello beautiful glam girls, glam fam, glam everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is very exciting because I've partnered with Rebdolls to show you guys some really classic, fun, still sexy but demure, classic chic fall pieces. I'm so excited because we have some really nice basics for fall that are just classic pieces that you could wear season after season. Rebdolls is so special because their pieces actually fit plus size bodies nicely, and they go really high up in their sizes, and they have a multitude of selection of sizes, and they always have sales, and they just overall are a really great brand that to me stick out in the plus size fashion industry right now. And their clothing is designed in New York. The quality is a lot better than some other brands that quality is just a little bit cheaper. You could just tell that the love, you know, the special sauce is not in it like it is in Rebdolls. Just disclaimer, I don't have any boots right now to pair with these outfits, but I will try my best to give you guys a fall overview. But it's not about the shoes, it's about the outfit. Before I keep blabbering, let's get into the try on haul. Okay, so this first outfit is definitely one of those classic staple outfits you need in your wardrobe. This shirt is called the What I Please off the shoulder sheer top in the shade black, and I am wearing it in a 1X. Those tops that is just perfect for this time of year. It is just a classic off the shoulder top. I love the long sleeves, and it has enough material that it's gonna keep you warm, but it's not gonna make you hot. I love the off-shoulder detail because if you live in a place like New York City, like for us, it's still almost 80 degrees, especially today. It's been so hot. Today is actually 76 and it's really sunny, so it's literally still 80 degrees even though it's October. So it's one of those perfect tops that's not gonna make you hot. I love the detailing of it. It has this really beautiful peasant ruffle detail, kind of elastic detail here, and then elastic detail at the wrist. So you get that beautiful peasant blouse look. It's so feminine and sexy and girly and classic, and I paired it with some liquid leggings. Of course, these are a classic for a fall wardrobe, and then I topped it off with some nude mules. So I topped off the look with some nude mules as well as a little nude evening bag, and this is just such a classic look for fall and winter. You can pair this with a duster on top or a blazer. It pairs really well with some high-waisted trousers, high-waist pants, high-waist skirt, or even shorts if you're somewhere where it's still really hot. Okay, this next dress is such a fun modern take on the sweater dress, which is such a fall classic, and this one is called the Fashionably Late Tiger Print Maxi Dress in the shade brown, and I'm wearing a 3X. Absolutely love this dress. I think it's super fun. It's super modern and sexy. I feel like if you're gonna wear a sweater dress and you really wanna have a good time, Friday night, you wanna step out, you wanna be different, this is the outfit. I absolutely love it. And you can see that it has that yellow, orange, black kind of coloring to it. So to make it even more fun and stand out, I paired it with these crazy large gold earrings. But I feel like this entire look is like very the nanny meets 2021. I absolutely love it. And I also paired it with this orange little mini bag because I just feel like bringing that orange out just makes it so much more fun. If you want to class it up a little bit, I would go with black accessories and maybe like no earrings and keep everything really tidy and let the dress speak for itself. But you know me and my Latina girl flair, okay, I gotta be extra. And you know what, sometimes you need to be extra. You need to be the life of the party. Don't dull your shine for anybody else. Stand out, be yourself, let yourself glow, girl. And that's what I'm gonna do with this look. And I think this is definitely the look. A lot of attention, okay, that everyone is gonna be talking about, and they're gonna be like, who is that? Why is she wearing that? Who does she think she is? And then you're like, I'm Miss Lascano, okay? I am Miss Lascano, and I'm not here to play with you hoes, all right? I just feel like this gives me hella attitude, and I love it. Say get your regular size with this, or one size down if you want it to have a little bit of a snug vibe to it. I think that for a 3X, it has like the perfect amount of give where everything fits nicely. It fits like a glove. I love the off the shoulder again because I get hot. Like I said, it's like 80 degrees in here. It just looks so cool, and it's just really like a vibe. I absolutely love this dress. I highly recommend it. Like I said, if you have that party or like a birthday, this could be a great birthday dress. Can you imagine walking into the spot? Everybody's waiting for you, and this is your dress. Definitely a great fall birthday dress. And then if you wanted to plan like your cake to match it with tiger print, I think that would be so dope. It's giving very 2008, 2009 MySpace vibes. Like, this is the kind of dress I would have worn in, I want to say 2010, 11, 12, like leopard print, tiger print. It was just a vibe back then. Let me know in the comments if you were that girl. I had leopard print, tiger print, everything. I used to do my nails tiger print. I had leopard print on my walls. I had, when I was that age, like back then, I had my own bathroom in our apartment. And so my mom let me decorate it. And so I painted the walls hot pink, and then all the decor was zebra print. Let me know if you were that girl, because I definitely was. And then I had everything leopard print. So it just really brings me back. It makes me happy. And I love that it's having a little resurgence. Yes, she's giving you jungle. Let me go. Okay, so for this look, I had to put the big earrings back on and do a high ponytail. And if you know why, leave it in the comments right now. Pause the video. Do you know why? If you know, you know. So I absolutely love this. Speaking of modern classics, I absolutely love this trench coat dress. It is so freaking perfect. As you can see, it's actually long enough in the back for my big booty. And that's like one of my biggest issues, literally and figuratively. Look, it actually covers up. Like, it actually has length. Never, okay, never, I almost fell. Never in the history of trench coat dresses have I found a trench coat dress that fits me, okay? They never fit me, and this one fits, girl, yes. Looking at you, cargo mini dress, and I am wearing a 3X of this. The sleeves are a little bit big on me, but I'm petite and short, so that always happens with everything. But it fits my body, and that's what's more important. I absolutely love this. I do think this would look amazing with black boots. Like I said before, I don't have boots right now, but it would look so good with boots, and it would really match like the whole Beyonce aesthetic. Like, I feel like you could wear this as a real outfit, but then it could double as like a Beyonce Halloween costume, because I'm kind of thinking like this might have to be my costume. I'm gonna get me some black leather gloves, which actually I have, and I'm gonna get me some boots. And this is gonna be my Halloween costume, girl. Cause like, you'll be killing it and looking real fly, but then also it's a costume at the same time. Like, it's just perfect. The stars have aligned. Everyone else is complaining about Metro retrograde. Everybody else is complaining about Mercury retrograde, and I'm like, excuse me, I just found my Beyonce Halloween costume. I'm living my life right now. Sorry to you, sorry to the him. I don't know that man, I don't know who he is. If I saw him in the street, I wouldn't know him. Okay, Mercury retrograde, or as I called it, Metro retro. What am I doing? Anyway, I love this, especially with like my blondish hair right now, the high ponytail, the big earrings. It's giving what it needed to give. I'm obsessed with this. And the pockets are working pockets, girl, yes. And you can wear it as an actual trench coat too, because the entire thing buttons all the way down, so it actually opens. These pockets work too, so you know, you gotta put something in there. And I love that you can wear like something under it and leave it open. If you wanted to do like a little crop top, I'm just wearing like my little bralette, but you could wear a little shirt under it. You could really play around with this, make it look different. This is one of those really classic pieces for fall that you could wear in a bunch of different ways. Like I said, you can wear it as a dress, you can wear it all the way buttoned up, you can wear it with like a cape on top of it, you could wear it as a trench and wear it open with something underneath. You could wear this as a cardigan with jeans and a white tee. I mean, you could wear this as part of a monochromatic outfit with like similar colored trousers. You could wear this with boots. I mean, there's so many opportunities to change this up. So it's a really good option if you're someone who works every day outside the house and you need those pieces that can be worn in different ways. This will get you through the fall and the winter, and you can really change up the style, and then also wear it as like your Beyonce Halloween costume. And I am here for it. I love this. And it's really stretchy, it's really cozy, really comfortable. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. Okay, so next outfit is a classic little set. So the first piece I'm wearing here is the Essential Tank jumpsuit in gray, and I'm wearing it in a 3X. So just to show you guys the tag. And then on top of it, I'm wearing the classic Waterfall long coat in black in a 2X. So for me, because I'm smaller on top, normally with coats or anything flowy, dresses, tops, I can wear a 1 or 2X. And then anything that has to do with my hips, I will always get a 3X. Sometimes 4 if it's something that doesn't have stretch. This is very stretchy, but I find for me, I just kind of have to work it a little bit to get it up to my hips, but it's very stretchy. I don't love the look of a one-piece jumpsuit on my body personally because I'm not tall enough, I feel, to pull it off. Also, could I pull off this hair length? One day. I don't feel like I'm tall enough to pull off a one-piece jumpsuit. I feel like I end up just looking like a little fat baby, which is cute. That's just not my vibe. But I love having something like this on those weekend days when you just need something to throw on. You're going to the farmer's market and it's cold. You're going to a friend's house, the family house. You're going to maybe have brunch, or you just want to feel really cozy. You're going to go get coffee. You just want to throw something on. An outfit like this is such a classic for fall because you can cover yourself up with your coat. And I love that this is like a real, sorry, there's another mirror over here, so that's why I'm looking over there, just so you know, so I can see myself. But I can also see myself back here, so I thought that would help you guys. So I love that this is a true waterfall coat because it completely covers your entire top area. As you can see, it almost has like a little cape. And I love that because then you don't have to wear an extra scarf. You can kind of like pick this part up and bundle it around you, and it doubles as a scarf, which I love, love, love that. And I think it looks so chic, that extra little cape detail. It gives me very Upper East Side. I'm gonna go walk my little doggies, which I should get them out and just do like a little Cruella de Vil vibe. That's what it gives me. Love the material on this. It is not a stretchy material. It's like a fleece, but it's not too heavy. So it's not gonna make you super hot, but it's definitely gonna keep you cool. I feel like, or keep you warm. I feel like this is the perfect coat to wear up until that really freezing point. Because I feel like you could layer with long sleeve things under this. You could layer sweaters, jumpsuits under this and still be cozy. But then it's light enough that I feel like you could wear it when it's like 50 degrees and not be hot, which I love. And it's just like a classic piece. So again, I love the layering of this, and I think this would be really nice with some boots as well. Like I mentioned, I don't have any, sorry, but I think this will look really nice with some boots or even just sneakers for a casual day. I could definitely see myself wearing this going to the farmer's market on a Saturday or Sunday, like as a casual little outfit. You could even wear this to the gym, I feel like, and then throw on your coat and suddenly you have like a nice outfit. Whenever you're in doubt for the fall and winter, you need a waterfall trench coat. I promise you, it changes everything. It immediately just makes you look pulled together. It makes you look like you're wearing a full outfit, and it is just the best little thing to have in your wardrobe. And something like this is so classic. You could wear this for the next 10 years. You know what I mean? Like if you have one good waterfall trench coat in your collection, black especially or beige, it's never gonna go out of style. It's always gonna work for any occasion. It's classic enough that you could throw it over a gym outfit and look put together, but it's also fancy enough that you could wear this over a wedding outfit and still look, you know, chic and elegant. So I can never say enough good things about a good waterfall coat, and I've tried a lot of them, and this one is really nice. And I love that the pockets are in the perfect place. They're not too far back. I just love the design of this. It also has a little button as well to kind of reinforce it. A lot of times waterfall coats and cardigans do not have buttons. They don't have zippers. They only have the tie, and then that can be difficult if you have bigger hips or a bigger belly. I love that added security of the button. So I'm all about this waterfall coat. If there's anything in this collection of pieces that I'm showing you guys that I think you definitely need, it is this one. Okay, so this next look is probably, strangely, one of my favorites. It's a super, super classic sweater dress. I love the cable knit style of this. As you can see, it has like that cable knit design. Long sleeve. This is a nice, super thick, cozy, comfortable sweater material. It's super, super stretchy. Look at that. I love the length of this. It's the perfect knee length. You can see everything is covered, super modest. I feel like this is a great option if you work in a school, if you're in college, if you're a teacher, if you work somewhere where you want to look really chic enough that you can go out for dinner or go out for drinks after work, but you also want to look modest for your job and you don't want to worry about cleavage, things being too short. I know some people like those really basic chic pieces that can be transitional. And I feel like if you're a college student, this could be a really nice option. A waterfall coat over this or some nice long boots with this is really nice. This is like a classic piece that you could wear for apple picking, pumpkin picking, or even for a fall brunch. I paired it with this nice little fluffy cloud kind of bag because I think it really adds to the cozy vibe. We need at least one of those like pumpkin spice looks. To me, this screams pumpkin spice. It screams fall. Before I forget, this dress is called the Waiting for Tonight Heavy Knit Bodycon Mini Dress, and I'm wearing it in a 3X in brown. Okay, last, and I love that it's called this because this is the last piece I have to show you, and it's called Classic Ending Satin Trench Coat in brown, and I'm wearing a 2X. I will say that because this is satin, it has no stretch, that I could size up to a 3, or I should have sized up to a 3 for my hips, but most of the time I would wear this open anyway, so I'm probably still gonna wear the heck out of it. But I absolutely love this gorgeous rusty brown color. It is the most beautiful chocolatey rust brown, and again, you cannot go wrong with a satin trench coat or waterfall coat during this time of year. It has pockets. It is just absolutely gorgeous. I love it. It is nice and long. On me, it almost goes all the way down to my ankle, just like this. It's so chic, so pretty. It feels so nice. The material feels really good. I think it looks so pretty as a contrast to the orange color of the dress. It's just like the perfect pumpkin spice little outfit. So that is it for this haul. Thank you so much to Rebdolls for sponsoring this video, for partnering with me on these amazing fall looks. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments which outfit was your favorite. Which one are you gonna pick up? Don't forget to use the coupon code in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. There will also be a post on my Instagram, so definitely head over there to show me some love on my post. It really, really, really helps me. You know, all my content is free for you guys, but it's how I make money, and I, you know, get paid from brands to do these kinds of videos and things like that, and it's my livelihood, and I really depend on your guys' support, your comments, your likes, your saves, your shares, all that stuff. It is a really great way to support your favorite creators for free. You don't have to spend any money. It just helps the brand see that you like our content, and it just helps us know that we're doing the right thing and that we're giving you what you guys want, because that's what we're here for. So again, if you want to support me for free, just like, comment, share stuff, post it, repost it in your story, save it on Instagram, save it everywhere, share it, all that good stuff. It's free and it really helps me. Not to beg, but I just want to remind you guys that even though your views are amazing and it does help, taking the extra step to like, comment, share, save, it really does make such a difference for your favorite creators, and I really, really appreciate it. Thank you guys again. I love you so much. Stay glam, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy fall. Bye.